We'll guide you through how to update Blender to the latest version quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender on your computer. Once it's open, go to the top menu and click on Edit. From the drop-down, select Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the System tab on the left-hand side. Here, you will find the Version Management section. Click on it, and you'll see the current version of Blender you have installed. If there's a newer version available, Blender will notify you here. You can then click on Check for Updates. If an update is available, a message will prompt you to download the latest version. Click on Download Latest Version, and this will take you to Blender's official download page in your web browser. On the download page, select the appropriate version for your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once the download is complete, open the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the update. Make sure to close Blender before running the installer to avoid any issues. After the installation is complete, you can open Blender again to start using the newest features and improvements. It's a good practice to regularly check for updates to ensure you're using the most secure and feature-rich version of Blender available. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.